Ever pondered the thought of crafting your own wooden bed? Well, today, you'll learn exactly how to do that. So buckle up and prepare to embark on a journey of woodworking craftsmanship that will awaken your inner carpenter. First things first, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need 4 pieces of quality lumber for the bedposts, bed rails, and slats. Additionally, you'll need wood screws, wood glue, a saw, a drill, a tape measure, and sandpaper. Remember, safety always comes first, so don't forget your safety glasses and gloves. The initial step involves cutting your lumber to the appropriate lengths. Measure twice, cut once, that's the golden rule. You'll need to cut 2 pieces for the head and foot of the bed, 2 pieces for the sides, and multiple slats for the middle. Next up, it's time to assemble the bed frame. Apply wood glue at the ends of the bed rails and attach them to the bedposts using wood screws. Make sure everything is square and flush. A level tool can be of great assistance here. Once the frame is assembled, it's time to install the slats. These will provide the support for the mattress. Space them evenly across the bed frame and secure them with wood screws. Now, you're halfway through the process, and it's time to make it smooth. Sanding is a crucial step not to be overlooked. It removes any rough edges and makes the bed safe to touch. Start with a coarse grit sandpaper and work your way up to a fine grit for a smooth finish. With your bed sanded and smooth, the next step is to add a finish. You can choose to paint, varnish, or stain the wood, depending on your preference. This step not only adds aesthetic value, but also protects the wood from damage. The final step is to add your mattress and bedding. Make sure to choose a mattress that fits snugly within the frame for a comfortable night's sleep. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your own wooden bed. To recap: 1. Gather your materials. 1. Cut the lumber to size. 1. Assemble the bed frame. 1. Install the slats. 2. Sand the bed for a smooth finish. 1. Apply your chosen finish. 2. Add your mattress and bedding. By following these steps, you've transformed a few pieces of lumber into a functional, stylish bed. It's a testament to the power of creativity and the satisfaction that comes from creating something with your own 2 hands. Now rest easy in the knowledge that you've crafted a beautiful wooden bed. Until next time, happy building.